Alam mo, bawal yan to reveal a bank account, even piso lang yan, or 1 billion. Alam mo ba yan? You make it public here. Hindi mo ba alam that I could charge you for that alone? That single statement, I can send you to prison. I guarantee you. Hindi mo ba alam yan?
Mr. Chair, if our resource person is done, hindi po tayo nathi-threaten doon. Actually, Mr. Chair, marami pa akong mga tanong, tapos nasabi nga rin naman po kanina, pwedeng hanggang 2 a.m., 5 a.m. Sa sitwasyon po ng ating resource person, hindi po natin tinatanggap yung bluff niya na kaya niya magstay hanggang umaga. So, I'm actually willing, Mr. Chair, if the committee would want, I can pause with my questions and I'll let the committee decide, Mr. Chair.
Hindi, we continue. Huwag ka namang madali.